Alright, so what does a small business owner do, no, on the daily, no? Kasi akala ng iba parang pag may business ka, wow, ang dali naman ng buhay mo, paupo-upo ka lang tapos kumikita na. But it actually takes a lot of hard work, and may days talaga na sobrang nakakapagod. Pero yun talaga, no? So kapag nagsisimula ka pa lang, you are the one who buys your stocks. Ikaw yung nagtatabi ng mga ingredients, ikaw yung nagpo-procure ng mga items, no? Minsan cashier, minsan, syempre, kailangan nag-aayos ka ng payroll, inventory, sales, and everything, accounting, basic accounting, dapat naiintindihan mo. So, hindi siya basta-basta na lang na, magbebenta ka lang, and tapos na, maraming dapat isipin, no? Also, yung mga tao, minsan hiring manager ka, minsan kailangan marunong ka rin ng maghanap ng tao or humarap sa tao. So pag wala naman din masyadong tao or may problems, ikaw din magbabarista, research and development, taga-develop ng mga recipes, and kung ano-ano pa, no? So it's not really something na pinapasok ng mga taong gusto ng madali lang, no? So it's something that is you have to build it talaga. Sa simula mahirap, pero it's really fulfilling, like making something out of literally nothing, no? Sisimula ka mag-build ng communities, you start building relationships, and also it's really a fun experience, no, for me, especially, no, coming from a field na musician ako, 'di ba? Pero hindi ko pa rin syempre makakalimutan yung mga ginagawa dito na it could also help in my music career din, no? Yung mga natututunan mong habits, discipline, lahat yan, no? And building a community and building something that you are really proud of, di ba? So, minsan ikaw din nag-housekeeping kapag wala talagang short-staffed ka. So may mga bagay na hindi na nakikita ng karamihan, and it's not really a struggle, but it's just the reality of it, no? Walang madali. Lahat nagsisimula sa simple, mag-isa, no? And then it just grows, and you just have to be prepared for the ride, whether it would be a good one or a bad one. Pero hopefully, in my experience, sobrang fulfilling maging isang small business owner. You just have to surround yourself with the right people and actually do it not just for the money, but also for the purpose of building something for the benefit of others, no? Parang it's not always going to be about you. It's about helping other people, and yun, sana makadalaw kayo sa aming small business sa Daddy G Cafe.